don't get me wrong, ne? So I don't know if you watch football, multi-choice disky, disky whatnots, whatever they call it right now. But it's mainly in reserve side, yeah, Petway Premiership. I'm sorry. And there's this boy, Daniel Orlando Pirates. I've been watching him for some time, but from the UJ games, I always get him from UJ games, from Nike. I've seen him a couple of times while I'm playing on UJ, ne? And I've always asked myself, what would happen to this boy if Bangamfaka go 18? I'm sorry. And guess what? While I'm just scrolling on social media, nyawona with yo, pop my populist, pop my bottle, pop my champagne. The boy has been selected. I'm sorry. We got like the first team. He left with the team who gets Spain. I don't wanna lie, guys. Ne? I've never been so excited. And don't get me wrong, because in fact the Kaizer Chiefs, I'm a big Kaizer Chiefs fan. Ne? Pirates. I'm a big supporter of growing South African football, and especially when you see these young boys, and they play classy flavor. I'm not saying with it tribula, because that doesn't take our players international, look back when you compete somewhere else, it's not good. But what I want us to start doing is, as much as we play in South African football, it has flair, it has what, ne? We integrate in the basic, I love players sing like I'm a player fan and being selected because I'm 18 because why? These boys are showing raw football as a South Africa, which is our style of play. And Lentana says what Pirates 18. Oh my chance. And most of the time man khuluma ngalentwana. Abantu bangitshela ukuthi wena khetha uthanda lentwana ngoba iyatribula, khetha wena uthanda lentwana ngoba ishaya ishushane yenzani, asifuni ishushane lapha. And I always keep on telling people, good, do you guys know ukuthi Mofokeng can do shushane? Mofokeng was doing shushane. Vilakazi does shushane, but Vilakazi does shushane a lot, which is good. Yeah? And don't get me wrong, I mean it's shushane 1988. But these boys have that football intelligence. Imagine if they get a good coach. Imagine nobody even fetch. Also want a wild football. Imagine that skill. The coach is gonna train this boys, man. Imagine the experience of the older players and Padines, man. Boom. So imagine what Popo is going to become. This boy is going to be the next. You see, nobody so real. I'm telling you right now, this boy is going to be more than real. If Wadu plays this ball, and I feel like this boy is going to fit in nicely with Wadu football, because it's his style of play, more tempo. Most people just love this. This boy is just this boy no guys, you guys don't watch football. Lentwana is very creative. I feel like maybe Nina and Peggy Ball on TikTok or whatever thing that you guys watch. That's all. Watch this boy play. He's very creative. He assists a lot. And most of the time when you see him dribble, he doesn't just dribble just because they dribble and no. It's to dribble to eliminate opponents. This boy can have like 2 or 3 players on him, which is something that your Messi's do very good. But at least to Guti and Koluisha with classic football and flavor. Then you tell us my player around there and other players are free. That's Padime for you. And alaman tama pegi pona lagu social media bazokutshela ukuthi uyatribula, ayilazi Lakers, uyatribula Lakers. No guys, I don't wanna lie, ne? This is the player to watch out for. Now whether even if Orlando Pirates don't get Viet boy, ne? They have Padime boy. They have Padime boy nyachela yo lentwana umpompetu yashisa. And a lot of Orlando Pirates fans, ne? And because some of my Pirates fans were literally yatribula, I wouldn't make it to the first team. He's gonna make it to the first team. And against Wadi football, it's gonna be more than what you guys were seeing on the TDC. I'm so excited. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I'm very excited to go to Lentwana Le. Igala. Very excited to go to Lentwana first team. And I'm telling you, even if you guys don't get Viet boy, watch him. Mpo is going to show you guys playing. This is the new Ray. And I feel like it's going to be better than Ray because I have a lot of hope on this boy. I've watched him play football a couple of times. I want to go if people realize good, even if you're not dribbling, you do a lot on the pitch. He's good when it comes to recovery. He assists the team when it comes to marking, because I'm a player for nine. When it comes to marking, they never mark that much. I'm sorry. Maria Marku boy. He assists the defense. When it comes to transactions, he's very tactical when it comes to transactions. I love him for transactions. He's very good when it comes to that. So I don't want to lie, ne? Please let me know, how do you feel about Pops being on the first team, ne? And would you put him on the A team, or do you think that he's fine at DDC? Let me know in the comment section. But for me, I'm so happy ukuthi uyadlala kude eDMPs. So first team and also the Premiership. I don't want to lie, it's going to prove a lot of people wrong. Because a lot of people keep on saying that he's just a dribbler, he wouldn't make it good Betway. On Betway, he's going to show you all. Please let me know how you feel about this move on the comment section. Don't forget to like and comment. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. From me, Katlego Sparkles, aka Don't Get Me Wrong. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.